Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to type text inside a circle in Illustrator. I'll guide you through two straightforward methods. The first one is simple. Create a circle, go to the text tool, move your cursor to the circle's border until it turns into a circle cursor, click, and type your text. Easy, right? You can even adjust the font size. Now, for a more creative approach, let's try a different method. Create a new circle, change its color, and grab the knife tool from under the eraser. Use the knife tool to cut through the circle where you want the text to wrap. Next, go to the text tool, add text to the canvas, and convert it to a path with Ctrl plus Shift plus O. Now we need to unify all characters of the word to a single vector object. This can be done by going to Pathfinder tab in the right sidebar and clicking on Unify button. Just make sure to actually select all letters in the word you want to fit inside the circle first. Here I selected the word writing one letter at a time by holding Shift key, and then clicked on Unify button in the sidebar. Now cut the text, Ctrl plus X, double-click outside the text and paste it back in, Ctrl plus V. Use Ctrl plus left square bracket to move the text behind the circle until it's hidden underneath. Make sure it's underneath, as we'll be wrapping it around the circle. Hold Shift and select both the text and the upper part of the circle. Go to Object, Envelope Distort, Make with Top Object. Repeat this process for the remaining parts of the text, selecting and distorting each section separately. And there you go. That's how you fit text inside a circle in Illustrator. I hope this tutorial was helpful.